Morning children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I Tapas sir, your language teacher. Today I am going to teach class 4 students grammar lesson number 2. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 2. Let's see. Lesson number 2, singular and plural nouns. Today we will read about nouns and its number, singular and plural. Let's begin the lesson. Nouns are two in number, singular nouns and plural noun. Singular noun, name one person, animal, place or thing. Examples: box, train, flower, rose, boy, room. Noun or naming words have two numbers. Singular we use for one person, plural more than one person. Now what is singular noun? Singular noun name one person, animal, place or thing. Anything, any person, any place or animal, if it is one in number, it is said to be singular. We can show through examples: box, train, flower, rose, boy and room. These are all one in number, that's why they are called singular nouns. Now plural nouns, name more than one person, animal, place or thing. Example: boxes, trains, flowers, roses, boys, rooms. You can see, if it is more than one in number, we have to use es or s to make singular into plural. Box will change into boxes, train will change into trains, flower, flowers, rose, roses, boy, boys and room into rooms. So this is how we change singular into plural. Now let's see what are the process to change a singular noun into plural noun. To change some nouns from singular to plural, we only add s at the end. As we can see here, brother is singular, brother. When we have added brother s, brothers, it changes from singular to plural. Shop, it will change into plurals if we will add s to it, shops, shops, plural. Book, 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 singular, books, books, plural. Room, 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 singular, rooms, rooms, plural. Pencil, 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 singular, pencils, pencils, plural. Tiger, tigers. So these singular noun changes into plural by adding add to them. Now if the noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x, o, add es at the end. Means if any noun ending with s, ss, sh, ch, x or o, the plural form of the noun will be added es, then only the singular noun will change into plural. You can see the example: speech, a type of fruit, ending with ch. The plural will be peaches, peaches. Dress, ending with ss. Plural will be dresses, dresses. Bus, end with s. Buses, buss or es. Actually buses, buses. You can see it is buses, buses. It is double s, it is wrong. It will be buses, buses. Brush, brushes, brush, brush. It will be brushes, brushes. Mango, 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 mangos, mangoes. Fox ends with x. Plural will be foxes, fox, foxes. So words end with ch, ss, s, sh, o or x have es in their plural form. Children, one spelling it is wrong here. buses it should be, but by mistake it is written busses. So please note it down, buses, not double s. We will move on. Next part, for most noun that ends in f or ef have ves in their plural form. Means if the noun is ending with f or ef or fe, the plural form of the noun will always have ves. Like loaf, loaf of bread, piece of bread, it will change into plural loaves, loaves. Life, life, plural will be lives, lives. Wife, wife ending with fe, plural will be wives, wives. Knife, knife, plural will be knives, knives. Wolf, wolf ending with f, plural will be wolves, wolves. Thief, 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 plural will be thievs. Means if a noun is ending with f, ef or fe, always have ves in their plural form. Nouns that end with y have ies in their plural form. Examples, story, you can see story ends with y, plural will be stories, stories. Sky, sky, plural will be skies, skies. Fly, fly, plural will be flies, flies. Lady, lady, plural will be ladies, ladies. Baby, baby, plural will be babis, babies. You can see if the noun is ending with y, have ies in their plural form. Some nouns whose spelling of singular nouns are different from plural noun. Example, foot, plural will be feet. Tooth, plural will be teeth. Ox, oxen. Child, children. Man, men, man. Goose, geese. Means here you can see singular is having something spelling, and when it changes into plural, spelling is totally different. Foot will change into feet, tooth will teeth, ox will oxen, child will children. Man, man is singular, men is plural. Goose singular, geese plural. Goose is a bird, so when it is more than one bird, it will change into geese. Now some nouns are there whose singular are always in plural form. Some nouns are there, a singular also it is written, it looks like it is in plural form, like scissor, scissors, scissors, you can see. Singular is having s to it, plural also same spelling, scissors. Spectacles, spectacles. Trousers, trousers. Shorts, shorts, shorts pant. Furnitures, furnitures. Clothes, clothes. You can see singular as well as plural having same spelling ending with s in both the form, singular as well as plural. So this lesson is over, singular and plural noun, and I have told you how to change a singular into plural. Please watch this video at home at least 2 to 3 times so that you can have better idea about changing singular noun into plural noun. Thank you children. God bless you. Stay at home, stay safe, and watch your videos, what teachers are sending to you regularly, and be in studies. Think about your future. Bye bye.